Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to find a root of equation using secant method. So before we get into this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So the first step is obviously we will take a equation. So here I have taken equation as f of x equals to x cubed minus x minus 1, and so once we have written the equation here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write a formula for the secant method, which is x2 equals to x naught minus f of x naught multiplied by x1 minus x naught upon f of x1 minus f of x naught. Now the next step we have is I'm gonna put values in the equation instead of x. So the first value I'm gonna be taking is x equals to 0. So when we put x equals to 0 in the equation, so x cubed will get 0 and minus 0 and the minus 1, so we will left with the minus 1. So the f of x value will be equals to minus 1. Now the next step, what I'm gonna put what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put x equals to 1. Now once we put x equals to 1 in the equation, we will get the f of x value equals to minus 1, and yeah, we will just continue doing it until we find the change of sign between the value of f of x. So at x equals to 2, what I'm gonna get in the equation, we will get f of x equals to 5. So as you can see, we have found the change of sign here. So we will consider x naught equals to 1 and x1 equals to 2. Now the next step is obviously we're gonna put these values in the our formula as we have written on the top of the page. So x2 equals to 1 minus bracket minus 1 multiply by 2 minus 1 and upon 5 minus bracket minus 1. So I'm gonna put the formula and the values in the calculator, and once we put it in the calculator, I'm gonna make a solution here, and we will get 1.166 value as x2. So we will just consider x2 equals to 1.166. Now I'm gonna put this value in the same equation, so we will get f of x two equals to minus 0.7. So now once we get this value, now here's the twist actually. So we will have minus 0.7474, and now here's the twist. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just switch the value of x2 instead of x1, and our x1 will become x naught, right? So we're just doing it so we'll just keep doing it in the x3, x4, and like whatever the number of iteration you are doing. So we will just keep switching the values of new a value and the value of x1, and we will shift the value of x1 in the x0, right? So let's find x3. So x3 equals to 2 minus 5 multiplied by 1.166 minus 2 and upon minus 0.7474, and minus we will select minus 1. Now we're gonna solve it in the calculator, and we will get the value of x3 equals to 1.274. Now we're gonna do the same here like we did in our previous step. I'm gonna put it in the equation, so we will consider that as f of x cubed. So once we put that in the equation in the calculator, so we will get minus 0.206. So this is the third iteration, and as I told you, we're gonna switch the value. So now we will consider x3 as our previous value, and we will switch our previous value of x1 into the x0, right? Find the x4 here. What I'm gonna do, as I've told you, we're gonna just keep switching the new values to the previous values. So to find the x4, 1.166 minus, in the bracket, minus 0.747 multiplied by 1.294 minus 1.166 upon minus 0.206 minus 0.707. Now once we put it in the calculator, what I'm gonna do, and show the body video. So once we put it in the calculator, we will get the value of x4 equals to 1.0813. Now we will do the same. We will put this value in the equation. So once we put it in the equation, we will get the f of x4 equals to minus 0.8169. Now this is actually a fourth iteration. You can just keep doing it until you find the nearest value. And yeah, that's how you solve the secant method. And hope you guys like my today's video. So that's how you find a root of equation using the secant method. So if you guys like my today's video, if you do, so make sure to like this video, and I will catch you in the next one.